Come in, sir.
Please come.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. बैठिए.
Thank you, sir.
किस मीडियम में इंटरव्यू देंगे आप?
Sir, English.
English. So, without revealing your name, your religion, your region, your caste, these four things are not to be revealed. Okay? You will introduce yourself, wherein you will indicate what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and what is your hobby. Three things.
Okay, sir. So, I have done my high school and intermediate from Delhi Public School. And so after that, in 2017, I started pursuing my economics from Hindu College, and I completed that in 2020. So after that, I pursued LLB from 2020 to 2023. So I've been preparing since 2023 for civil services. And so my hobbies are to bake and to play chess during my leisure time. And so my weaknesses specifically, I believe, sometimes I do over empathize with a particular problem. And so my other weakness is that when I want to do something, I pay lots of attention to details while not adhering to the demands, and I just want perfection in certain things at times. And so my strengths are to perform under stress and to also not be deterred by any sort of pressure or consequences of any sort.
Okay, that was a long introduction of yourself. Okay, no problem. You are from law background. Okay. What is your take on the large number of pending cases to the tune of around 5 crores pending with the Judiciary of India?
So the judge to population ratio specifically is 21:1 million at present. So there is a dire need to increase the availability of judges to make it more accessible. And so second of all, so there is a dire need to increase fast track courts as well for speedy resolution of cases. So rather than fast track courts, if in cases of civil courts and so in cases of PIL as we have seen, so there is relaxation in terms of procedures followed. So fast track courts will expedite the disposal process along with increasing the number of judges in the country.
What is the role of ADR in resolving this particular issue?
The ADR, as we know, increases accessibility in terms of people, and so it basically reaches out to the masses. And since the procedures are relaxed and the availability of social workers and lawyers play a major role in resolving disputes at grassroots
What is arbitration?
So arbitration is essentially used in commercial cases for in certain arguments, in certain agreements. So arbitration is basically mentioned in the contracts, and so in certain commercial agreements also.
Where does the appeal of NGT lies?
NGT to Supreme Court, sir.
Why is it so? What about Kaveri Dispute Tribunal?
So Kaveri Dispute Tribunal is associated with interstate.
So far as the appeal goes.
So appeal is not, so Constitution says that interstate water dispute appeal, if Parliament wants, it can exclude the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. But sir, as we have seen, Supreme Court can invoke Article 142, and its original jurisdiction also lies in resolving.
What is the status of the decision that the Supreme Court gave in the Gowder case post the advice it has rendered to the Honorable President of India under Article 143? What is the present state? As a lawyer, tell me.
So pre-constitutional laws, Supreme Court has to give its opinion.
That is not required.
Yes, sir.
They have already rendered their opinion under 143.
Yes, sir.
What is the status of that particular case in which the court has already decided that there will be a time limit for deciding on the bills reserved for assent?
So Supreme Court has said that the time limit is not.
Think twice before answering. What is the impact of this particular thing the advice,
Yes, sir.
will it have any bearing on that judgment or not? That is what is my question.
The advices given under Article 143 are not bound by the President. So
That is for the president.
yes, sir.
What about that particular case which has already been decided by the Supreme Court?
I'm sorry, sir, I did not get the question clearly.
The question is, in the governor's case, Supreme Court has decided that there will be a time limit. In its advice, it has overturned its earlier stand and has stated that there will be no timeline. Okay? Right? It has been left to the discretion of officers, concerned officers. Now, the point is whether what is the fate of that particular judgment?
So at present, so there is no time limit, which gives more power to the executive.
No, not the answer. Okay, tell me what is the opinion of Law Commission with regard to the collegium system?
So Law Commission is in favor of the Collegium Commission, although it wants the vacancies to be filled.
What is the fourth judge's case?
So fourth judge's case establishes National Judicial Commission, in which law minister along with two nominated members by the centre, and so three apex court judges would decide upon the vacancies at the Supreme Court.
That is no more. That is not in existence.
So that
has been set aside.
So that was the provision which was set aside.
Okay. Last question. Tell me, what are the various problems, legal problems that is faced by the people of Bihar? Legal problems.
So legal problems is basically, so first problem is enforcement. So a lot of times the crimes which are occurring are not reported in the form of first information report, and so second of all, so there are enforcement lapses in the case of police in terms of investigation, and so third of all, so the prevalence of judicial courts in the state as in India as a whole with population to judges ratio. Yes, sir.
Tell me about recombinant DNA technology.
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not aware of that.
So, what is the main pathogen that causes cervical cancer?
So, HPV, human papilloma virus, sir.
So, virus.
Yes, sir.
Other regions besides virus?
So, it's also transmitted through activities, and so that is all I.
What is the name of vaccine of cervical cancer?
So, Gardasil was the one which was the foreign vaccine, sir. So, in India, it was Servavac by SII.
Tell me about germline gene therapy.
So, germline editing, sir, as far as I know, it involves editing the sex chromosomes to impart additional traits to the germline gene.
Tell me about cold plasma technology in food processing.
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of this.
What do you know by food processing?
So, food processing is to extend the shelf life of a raw material and also to add value to it to make it available for export and to make it available for market.
So, what is the role of irradiation in food processing?
Okay.
Irradiation.
Irradiation in food.
Irradiation. So, irradiation kills germs.
What is used?
Yes, sir.
What is the ray used? Rays which are used.
Rays. So UV. If I can recall, so I could be wrong.
हिंदी आती है?
हाँ सर.
सही में?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा, तो तुम लॉयर हो कि एडवोकेट हो कि बैरिस्टर हो?
सर.
क्या हो? लॉयर हो,
सर
एडवोकेट हो कि बैरिस्टर हो?
नो सर, लॉयर हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अभी बार काउंसिल में रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं कराया है और ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जाम नहीं दिया है, तो मैं लॉयर हूँ.
ठीक सर. आप हमें एक वर्ड समझाएंगे, फैक्ट ऑफ लॉ, मोटिव ऑफ लॉ में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, और कोर्ट में, लोअर कोर्ट में किस पे काम करता है, हाई कोर्ट किस पे काम करता है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट किस पे वर्क करती है?
ओके सर. सर
मेरा कहने मतलब है फैक्ट ऑफ लॉ कैसे कैसे कम होते जाता है और मोटिव ऑफ लॉ कैसे कैसे इंक्रीज करते जाता है, वो बताना.
सर मेरा जितना मानना है सर, फैक्ट ऑफ लॉ प्रोविजंस से डायरेक्टली डील करता है, और सर केस के क्या फैक्ट्स होते हैं इन लाइट ऑफ द प्रोविजंस। और सर जो मोटिव ऑफ लॉ होता है सर, मोटिव ऑफ लॉ तो एसेंशियली जस्टिस होता है, और सर ताकि मतलब लोगों को मतलब अपने राइट्स असर्टन हो सके, और अगर कोई क्रिमिनल केस है तो वो पब्लिक रॉन्ग डूइंग के खिलाफ आप एक्शन ले सके।
अच्छा, आपका पोस्ट प्रेफरेंस क्या है?
सर मेरा पोस्ट प्रेफरेंस एसडीएम है, और फिर डीएसपी है, और फिर एक्साइज में प्रोहिबिशन वाला होता है।
डिप्टी एसपीयू नहीं? अच्छा, तुम लॉयर तो हो ही, एडवोकेट बन ही जाओगी, एसडीएम बन जाओगी, ठीक है। तो डिपार्टमेंटल मुद्दा होगा
जी सर।
तो ये केसेस कहाँ जाएगा?
तो डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी पहले डिपार्टमेंटल स्तर पे होती है, अगर उसमें एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ
नहीं, डिपार्टमेंटल मतलब आपका कोई ट्रांसफर को लेके, पोस्टिंग को लेके, मान लो आप एक ही डिवीजन में 6 साल 8 साल से रुकी है, आपके खिलाफ कोई चुनौती दे रहा है, तो ये मुद्दा कहाँ जाए?
सर स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्राइब्यूनल।
ट्रिब्यूनल किस आर्टिकल में है?
तो ये 323A।
323 सेक्शन
ए।
ए की बी?
सर ए।
ए। अच्छा, और फिर कैट में और कोर्ट मार्शल में क्या अंतर है?
तो कैट में डिफेंस एम्प्लॉयज कवर्ड नहीं होते हैं, स्पेशली यूनिफॉर्म्ड सर्विसेज वाले, और सर कोर्ट मार्शल एक्सक्लूसिवली इज रिलेटेड टू डिफेंस एम्प्लॉयज जो सर्विस यूनिफॉर्म्ड सर्विस में आते हैं। एंड सर कोर्ट मार्शल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर्स पे अप्लाई नहीं होता है, और
वो सिर्फ मिलिट्री में होता
जी
है।
सर।
लेकिन है तो दोनों 323 ही है।
सर कोर्ट, सर आई एम सॉरी सर, कोर्ट मार्शल का मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है सर, बट
वही है, ठीक है।
सर
अच्छा, ये बताओ कैट में कितने मेंबर जर्नलिस्ट होते हैं और कितने मेंबर लीगल एक्सपर्ट होते हैं?
टेक्निकल।
तो चेयरमैन एसेंशियली आपका लीगल फील्ड से होना चाहिए, तो मेंबर्स का
जो चेयरमैन लीगल होगा वो जज होगा?
हो सर।
हाँ।
ओके,
जज तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, तुम भी हो सकती हो,
क्वालिफाइड टू बी जज सर।
हाँ, ठीक है। और ये जो कैट होता है इक्विवेलेंट किसके होता है? हाँ, इक्विवेलेंट लोअर कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, किसके इक्विवेलेंट?
हाई कोर्ट।
हाई कोर्ट। तो कैट के द्वारा दिए गए फैसले को हम हाई कोर्ट में चुनौती दे सकते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दे सकते हैं?
तो as far as I can recall, it was Supreme Court, sir.
हाई कोर्ट में दे सकते।
So I don't think so, sir. But if I would definitely read more upon this.
चलो, मुख्यमंत्री कन्या योजना क्या है?
सर मुख्यमंत्री कन्या योजना, ओ सर,
बिहार की कोई महिला उप मुख्यमंत्री का नाम बताओ। उप मुख्यमंत्री, डिप्टी सीएम।
डिप्टी सीएम, ओ सर।
बिहार की कोई 2 ऐसे नेता का नाम बोलिए, एक मेल हो एक फीमेल हो, जो लोकसभा अध्यक्ष रहे, स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा।
स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा, सर मीरा कुमारी जी।
हाँ,
बिहार। एंड सर
मेल
में सर आई कांट रिकॉल।
चलो, इन प्रेजेंट टाइम बिहार के विधानसभा अध्यक्ष कौन है?
विधानसभा अध्यक्ष,
स्पीकर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली।
ओ सर।
ठीक है सोनाली, आपका
सोनाली, आपका इंटरव्यू
समाप्त होता है।